Alright, we waited like 20 minutes or something, and now I'm moving. That's sweet. Beautiful. Yeah, tight. These weird old castle-looking ruins. We passed quite a few of them. There's some kind of little like worker post. Well, the train is moving, so I better get on. There we go. And we're off. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. All right, I'm gonna get in with poison. It's a bridge. That is sweet. Look at that. Crazy. Yes! These smell. They smell amazing.
Whoa!
Summer, baby. Bridge. Another castle thing. Look! Wow! It's a derailed wagon. Nice. Pine trees. Don't see those often. Doesn't the driver know we're trying to surf? Come on. It's real. I want to get to Niche before it's dark. I want to see the roof. What the hell? I like the pine trees. It's a nice touch. They really designed this yard. Yeah, we're probably gonna stop here. Okay, it's a bigger station, and we are nearby the platforms. By the way, my foot is still a bit sore, but the excitement now I barely feel it, but I think I treat it pretty well. It's okay. Quiet the distance indeed. It's gonna take a while. Alright, we're moving. It looks like another tunnel. The sun is nicely setting. We chilled in this yard for maybe half an hour to an hour. Poison's camera died for some reason. Yeah. Looks like we're entering a bigger station again. It's probably gonna stop here. Yeah, it's a bit of a bummer. Drama. Turned on? Bruh. Bruh. I was getting worried. Okay, don't have much to add. We surfed for a bit. Now we need a little break. So another train is waiting there. We're waiting. Everybody's just waiting, man. Today is such a chill evening. Why even hurry? So Poison's camera is working, but the button on and off got full of dust, so sometimes it's hard to switch it. Come on, where are you going? Where are you going? This is a bit of a close-up of what we're walking on, what we're dealing with. Just iron ore, and this stuff is really pink and really gets just everywhere. My shoes are starting to pinkalize. My pants as well, and it does not wash off easy, but yo, what are you gonna do? Yeah, these are not the best things to eat, but we're trying to limit our ingestion of them. So Poison is having a meal.
I'm making dinner with this perfect knife.
Well, hey, it works.
No, I have some, let me see, some socks.
Nice. Oh, what's in Poison's bag?
Oh my god, so many random shit, but this is what I'm gonna eat. I never had it, I don't know, it's tuna. And it's just like, it's tuna in a tube. Oh yeah.
Straight up fish
Some
face.
great, yeah.
Have a good meal, I'm gonna continue surfing. Alright, we're leaving the station behind. There was a little crossing there as well, bus is waiting. That's sunset. It's almost 8, the sun is setting, let's see the progress. We're approaching our first city. Hopefully it's not gonna stop at this station, or at least not stop for long. Yeah, we still have quite a bit to go, but hey, at least we're progressing. Some abandoned factory buildings. That's pretty cool. I want to snack a little bit as well. These dried smoked sausages should be good. Yeah, pretty good. It's just cruising. So nice. Ducking down from those station buildings. They have sometimes windows that peek over the wagon. Don't want to be seen. We're almost to Nice, right?
Yeah. Like 100 kilometers long.
Hell yeah, boy. looks like train is stopping for some reason. Just a station in the middle of the fields. It's gonna get dark in the next half an hour. We're still quite a bit away from Niš. It's gonna be a night surf if it continues. I do not have my infrared camera, and I do not really want to flash around in the dark. Maybe when it's just very safe I will a bit, but basically we're gonna have a long road till Niš if the train actually continues. I'll see what I can film. I'll update you like every hour until we have to get off. Because we're sticking with this train for as long as we can. We've waited for it for quite a while. Gotta enjoy it. So I'm using my phone again, but you have to see the moon at least a little bit. It is incredible. We're entering another city. It is 9 right now, making progress bit by bit. Green lights, baby! Progress! Alright, so right now we are pulling into the big yard. Hopefully we're not going to stay there long and our locomotive is not going to detach, but we are not sure. There are factories around. This looks like the type of cargo they would use, so we will see. Hoping for the best. Yep. And there we go. Okay, so it is almost 11. Yep, we're just surrounded by a bunch of wagons. The locomotive's driving away. There it goes. Oh boy. Okay, we're gonna move a bit forward to another station. It's a passenger station, and there, any trains that go should slow down. We might catch something tonight. We'll wait a bit until we get tired. We got a bit abandoned in this yard. Like I mentioned, we're going to the passenger part of the station, and there the tracks split. One away from Niš, one towards Niš. Really hoping to get to Niš. We're basically halfway already. We were surfing for maybe 5 hours, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the passenger yard. It's quite active, has an overwatch tower. Workers still moping about. Okay. Not gonna sign too long, but we're just gonna sit here, wait. It's 12 right now. Gonna wait for an hour or so, not too long. If nothing comes, we're just gonna head somewhere behind the town, nap it out, try again in the morning. Because we are pretty tired, but we have just a little bit more to continue. So, we'll see. Chilling. This one. Go on. Alright, let's go behind. Yep, we passed him. You spotted a great gap.
Yeah, man.
Spotted a great gap. We're leaving this place, yes. And I'm pretty sure these are definitely going to niche.
Yeah, man, they're going to.
So, not shining too much, but this is what we're dealing with. A little gap, a little platform, and just enough space for us to hide and not be seen. And chill. So this is how we're going to hide. I'm just gonna scooch behind this and Poison is gonna duck down. Yep, I saw the guy, but he did not see us. Halfway to niche. Sweet, so we're closer to niche than we are to Belgrade. Hopefully a couple more hours and we'll be niche. Okie dokie, got another station coming up. Alright, we're good. Another station passed. Success. We're 3/4 of the way there. We're probably gonna be there in an hour or two because we're going through a bit of a scenic path here. It's still beautiful in moonlight. We can see every silhouette of these hills, the trees, the river. It is amazing. Yep. It is 3:30 and the next yard is already niche. There will be worker boots in the beginning, but it's definitely gonna stop or at least slow down, and it's chill. Steep. Gotta wait till it slows down some more. Bye-bye, train. Immediately before the yard, it stopped. Hell yeah. This is right next to the yard where the train let us off. Whew.
You made it to niche.
We're satisfied. So, you just want to chillax a bit, nap a bit, take it easy. Got a lot of iron in my... Anyway, yeah, basically I'm gonna look for a sleeping spot. Yeah, just good emotions all around. It's nice. We picked a little sleeping spot. We're gonna check it out. Hopefully it's gonna have some nice doable trees. If it doesn't, we have a backup one. These tracks, the tracks in front, and the tracks we came in on form a triangle, and we found a spot in the middle of that triangle. Okay, we found a little way up here. Hopefully we don't find as many dead bodies as we did last time. Our tree should be somewhere there, I think. That direction. Okay, we walked all the way across. The trees we were looking for, we saw on Google Maps, they're actually cut out. Plan A didn't work. Going with plan B. It's a bit more of a walk, but I think that one is going to be more... I'm tired, it's hard to think. One is, we think there are going to be more hammock spots there on the second spot that's further than here. You get the idea. We're going to another spot. Oh boy, I am quite nappy. Okay, at this point I barely need the flashlight, but I think we found a spot. Just in these tree bushes here. Seems pretty cozy. So I wanted to cook some warm food and that would be amazing, but I am way too tired. And the animal food is going to satisfy me enough. Oh yeah. That's bland, isn't it? Basically morning. It's 5:30 right now. Whew. That was one hell of a surf. Well, two of them, but basically we were surfing for 10 hours. Not bad, not bad. You know, we waited for 4 days. We wanted it, and boy did we get it. Sick. I see the sunset. I mean the sunrise. Wow, my processor is shutting down slowly. I need to sleep. So yeah. All right. Good morning.